don't actually know what to play between chord progressions, I am here to solve that your problem. Because today I'll be giving you advanced passing notes you can use to your groove. So if you're interested, I recommend you watch this video. I also do private class lessons. You want to take your play to the next level, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. I have started live lessons on YouTube. That is every Sunday 6 p.m. because I'll be doing a lot of breakdown. So join my live every Sunday. I'll be doing the breakdown on the key of G. So now let me do the first example. From 1 to 7, in between that 1 to 7 chord progression, what are you supposed to play? So instead of you playing your 1 and you go straight forward to the 7, this is what I can give to you. So 1, 7, you can do it this way. 1, and this is my 7. You can either take it this far or you can take it closer to the 1, so that maybe you are new to the bass, you don't want to get off the key. So let me teach you this one and let me teach you the one closer to the root. Okay, so you play 1, you octave 1, 2, 2, 3. Above your 2 is your 6, then your 2 again, then your 6 and 7. So in any groove you want to go from 1 to 7. So this is a passing note you can apply between 1 and 7 progression. So now let me teach you the one closer to the root 1. So you have your 2 here on the 2nd fret, 1st string, 2, 3, 6 and 2 again, then 6, 7. Then you can even bring in the root 7. So you can use the first one and then the closer one. So now let's move to the 7 and 6. So if you have your 7 here, straight, you go to your 6. So what are you to play in between the 2 chord progression? 7, 6. So let's see. It is just like you go into the 7. So when you play your 7, then now you go into the 2, 3, 5, 1, then 5, 6. Let me take it again. 7, 2, 3, 5, 1, then 5 again, and your 6. So from 1 to 7, 7 to 6. So now let's move to the 6 and 5 progression, and let me give you what to play on that 6 and 5 progression. So if you have your 6, let's say you have your 6 here, and you want to go to the 5 progression, you locate your 6, then 7, 1, 2, then your 5. I can give you another way for this, so let me just give you 2 for this. 6, 7, 1, 2, 5. There's a second one. You slide to your 3, just like your 6 triad, but you do it this way. 3, 1, 7, 6, then 7, 1, 2, then 5. So it is 2 ways. So by the end of the video, I'll be giving you a typical example on how to use the passing note. Okay, so I recommend you watch to the end so that you can understand how you can use it on simple chord progression like this. So now let's move to the 5 and 4 progression. Last one. So if you're on a 5 going to the 4, 5, 4. So you do it this way. 4, 5, root 1, your octave 1, and your 4. Very simple. So now to your 4 and 3. 4, 3, 2. So you descend from the 4, 3, 2, 1, and your 3. So now let's start from the 1 to the 7. 7 to 6. 6 to 5. Or 5 to 4. 4 to 3. So now let's move to the 2. You can do it this way. So it goes like this: 3, 2, 1, 6, 2. So if you want to spice it, 2, 3, 2, 1, 6, 2. Now let's go to the 2 and 1 progression. 2, 1. So the 2 and 1 you can apply. So you start from the 2, 5, 6, 5, 2, and back to the root. So you take your time and master each progression from 1 to 7, 7 to 6, 6 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1. Go! 7, 6. So you see, I was able to use this when grooving. So the first one, let's look at 4 and 6. On the 4 to the 6, again to the 6. Let's go. You see? So you just apply the 4 note, the pass note to the 6. Let's look at the second one, 3 to 7. Go. Or you can use it closer. So you see, 3, then you play the pass note to the 7. Or you can play it here. So let's look at the last one. That is 1 to 6. Go. Just simple like the 4 to the 6 and 1 to the 6. Just take your time and master this pass note very well between the chord progression. And when you master it very well, just take 2 progression each, mix them up, and start to practice with them. You can use a metronome, or if you have a beat, a simple slow beat like this to practice with, you can just use it. Okay, so guys, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.